Today, we invite you to witness the world premiere of a legend reborn, the Range Rover 2026, a luxury SUV designed not just to be driven, but to inspire. This is not simply a car launch, it is a glimpse into the future of elegance, performance, and innovation. Stay with us as we reveal why this next-generation Range Rover will change everything you thought you knew about SUVs. The story begins now. A warm welcome to every viewer joining us today. We truly value your time and attention. May this moment bring you closer to your dreams of success and achievement. May you find not only inspiration in this unveiling, but also motivation to reach higher and work harder, just as the Range Rover 2026 redefines luxury. May you redefine what is possible in your own journey. Before we dive into the details, imagine yourself behind the wheel of a masterpiece. Every journey is smoother, every challenge easier, and every destination more rewarding. The 2026 Range Rover is built to match ambition with ability, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless style. Let this be a reminder that your goals are within reach, if you dare to chase them with passion and persistence. From the very first glance, the 2026 Range Rover commands attention with its bold new design. The front grille is larger and more sculpted, flanked by sleek LED headlights that cut through the night like precision beams. Its aerodynamic body lines are both elegant and powerful, creating a presence that is impossible to ignore. This is an exterior that speaks of status, confidence, and modern sophistication. Step inside, and you are greeted by a cabin that feels like a sanctuary. The finest leather, soft-touch materials, and artisan craftsmanship create a space of unmatched comfort. The panoramic infotainment display responds with smooth precision, while ambient lighting sets the perfect mood. This is not just a driving experience, it is a retreat for the senses, blending technology with pure luxury. Under the hood lies a range of powerful yet efficient engines, including advanced hybrid options, delivering thrilling performance without compromising fuel economy. Adaptive suspension and terrain response systems ensure mastery over any road or terrain, whether cruising through city streets or venturing off-road. The Range Rover 2026 delivers a drive that is both commanding and effortless. Technology in the 2026 Range Rover is designed to serve, not distract. From intuitive driver assistance to cutting-edge infotainment, every feature is engineered to enhance the journey. Voice command, navigation, wireless connectivity, and premium audio combine for a seamless experience. This is where innovation meets convenience, making every drive smarter, safer, and more connected. The Range Rover 2026 enters the market as a statement of prestige. Priced to reflect its position among the world's finest SUVs, it is aimed at those who demand the best. Without compromise, this is more than transportation, it is an investment in style, comfort, and capability. Appealing to leaders, visionaries, and anyone who values excellence in every detail. For decades, the Range Rover has stood as a symbol of British luxury and off-road mastery. Since its debut, it has evolved through innovation and bold design choices. The 2026 model builds on that legacy. While looking firmly to the future, it honors the past, yet breaks new ground, proving that true icons never fade, they only become greater with time. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of luxury SUVs. May this inspire you to dream bigger and work harder, just as the Range Rover 2026 inspires a new era of design and performance. If you enjoyed this first look, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive automotive content. The road ahead is yours, make it extraordinary.